aesthetics, and performance, all in a small space. Let's see how to explore the coffee experience with Victoria, a real piece of design. Let's take a closer look at this coffee machine. Entirely made of brushed stainless steel, Victoria is equipped with a multi-directional wand that allows you to froth milk and deliver hot water via the side knob. Through the control panel, you can set all the parameters to obtain a great coffee. Once you switch on Victoria coffee machine, it only takes a few minutes for it to be ready. Hook the filter holder to the body of the machine during the warm-up phase. This helps temperature consistency up to the coffee cup. Everything is in your hands. The LCC Display allows you to customize the use of the machine, from the temperature measurement scale, the temperature control of coffee and steam, to the pre-infusion activation. Let's dive in and see how to brew a good coffee. The perfect coffee cup is a balance of several key elements, from grinding to the coffee preparation. To obtain exceptional results, before brewing your coffee, do a purge to reach the correct temperature. Also, carefully choose the quality and quantity of the blend to get an excellent cup. We suggest using freshly ground coffee to obtain the best results. Press the coffee button to start brewing. The LCC display will show the extraction time, while the manometer will indicate the coffee pressure. Don't worry if you run out of water in the tank during brewing. The reserve mode will automatically activate to allow you to complete your coffee. When you want to stop, simply press the coffee button again. Always remove the coffee puck from the filter holder after the extraction. Shall we talk about Cappuccino? Select Steam function and the LCC display will show the steam temperature. Look at the display, then simply rotate the knob to deliver steam. We recommend turning it for a few seconds before frothing milk to eliminate any possible water drops. And if you need hot water to prepare tea, infusions, or American coffee, simply press the hot water button and rotate the knob. Follow the instructions that appear on the display, and Victoria is ready. Close the knob and press the button again to exit the function. The drip tray can be easily removed for clearing operations. After 30 minutes of inactivity, Victoria enters the standby mode. To restart the machine, simply press the flashing button and wait for OK to appear. And enjoy your coffee. Feel the performance already? Step up your coffee experience and design with Victoria.